Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you recover hack Google account without email and password. So if you want to recover your hack account or hack Google account without email and password because you don't have the access to your email and password, the best thing to do here is you have to go to any web browser and then type support.google.com and you will see this feature. What you're going to do is you have to click this Google account below Google Chrome, tap this one. Once you tap this, it will take you directly to this page. Now, all you have to do here is to scroll down and you will see this post to the help community. Actually, the reason why you ask a help from the community is because there are tons of people who are expert about this, and I'm pretty sure that they will answer you, especially how to recover your account if you don't have your email address and other access to your phone or other email or other account. So here, what you're going to do is to simply explain the problem you're facing and what you've tried. So actually, you can also type the short summary first, and then after that, explain the problem you're facing. So let's just say you want to tell them or you want to message them this, but actually you can create your own or you can copy this one. Everything is up to you. So for example, hi, good day. Can you please help me or may I ask a help? And how to recover or how can I recover my email or Google account without my email and my password because I don't have the access both of this. Okay, and actually you can attach an image here as a proof that you don't have the access to your Gmail or password. You can also include that you don't have the access to your phone number. And you can also add a link here, like something that can make them see the procedure or the method you tried, but then again you failed to do so. It could be a file or a video, and then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to simply scroll down and then tap next. You can also provide here your other email account or other applications where they can reach you. After that, go to category, tap account access and recovery, but you can't proceed if you forgot to put a short summary of your issue here. So do not forget this one. So you can type here forgotten Google account. And then after that, you can now scroll and then tap next. Okay. So forgotten Google account password, describe your issue, category account access recovery, and then here tap account recovery, and then after that tap next. Now here you can see similar content for help so you can view or tap and look for other resources for information. Once done, then click next step. And then after you tap this next step, you have to add more details. So for the platform, you can select Android, iOS, or web. But for me, this issue occurs on my Android. After that, click confirm and then you can change your display name, but this one is optional. After that, tap check and then post. So this concern or this issue will be posted in the community, and all you have to do is to wait for someone to answer your concern or your issue or your problem. And in case that you cannot wait or you don't want to follow this method, well, I'm going to show you another way, and that is to contact them directly. So, what you're going to do here is you can now go back and then tap this contact us. Now you can answer them. So, tell us what we can help with. So, you can say that, please help me recover my Google or Gmail account. Okay, it's the same thing. And then after that, you can now tap next. Now resources, you can tap this account access issues. And then here, let's just say identity because you have forgotten your email and your password. And then after that, click next step. So you can choose from any of the, given links here. If you think that these are kind of helpful for you. If not, then tap next. And as you can see here, you can contact them. So contact an agent, get a call, or you can email them. So these are the ways and how to simply recover your hack Google account or Gmail account without email and password. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.